This is a video of the logo program which I use to control the Powerspout turbo turbine. All the program parameters are in blocks on the screen, as you can see, and it starts off with two float switches up here, the high water level and the low water level. It goes through the whole program and finishes at the outputs these are the relay terminals on the side of the logo: valve 1, valve 2, valve 3. You can see that there's various bits and bobs in the program, and the important parts are the timing parts of the circuit. There's this one here. If I click on each component, valve 2 T on, that's time on, I've got it set to 10 seconds. Normally this would be in minutes or even longer, sometimes hours, depending on your flow rate, but I've got it in seconds for the purpose of this little demo again. And the valve 3 time on is at 10 seconds. Also, I've got the valve times off, valve 3 time off in 10 seconds. Okay, and so you can see how it works. What I'm going to do now is put it into simulation mode, and then hopefully we can see. So we need tools, simulation. Now when this I'm going to disable these screen messages because they will interfere with the circuit. But this is what the logo actually shows on its screen. At the moment, the low water level isn't activated, so it says critical water level, all valves shut. I'm going to disable that. Okay, when a certain part of the circuit becomes active, it will turn red. So let's enable our low water level. So this means the switch has gone high and the low water level has come on. The circuit enter standby mode now. You can see here none of the valves are turned on. All these wires are blue and none of them are turned on yet, but the circuit is in standby. Once the water level goes high, a valve turns on straight away, and then this one here will come on in 10 seconds. You can see the timer counting down there: 8, 9, 10, boom, the second one is turned on. And finally the third one is going to turn on in another 10 seconds. 9, 10, there it goes. And finally the third one will turn itself on as well. If at any point the water level goes low, that's them all running now. If at any point the water level goes low, let's turn the water level off. It shuts down a valve immediately and progressively shuts down the other ones. You can see the time off is coming: 8, 9, 10, and that one turns itself off. If at any point the water level goes high during this process, we'll turn it on again. It turns the valve on immediately and enables the time delay for the next one. So if we turn it off, then straight away it shuts the water level, it shuts the valve down, and you can regularly see this happen. If you set your time values correctly, it will just keep on going between moving one valve on and one valve off, and it rarely enters the standby mode. If we do one more time, again, you can just see it's turning valves on at the moment. 2 valves are on, the third one is going to come on. There it is. If at any point the water level goes low, if it draws too much water, it instantly turns them all off, and the screen message there says critical water level, all valves shut. So you've got two methods of controlling them. You've got progressive switching with water level high, and that switches on or off, or you've got an emergency low water level as well. And that's it really. It's very straightforward, and more important than that, it works.